Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and these little bottles right here are my new must-have to have in my fridge at all times, and I think you're gonna love them. These 12-ounce bottles are so handy. These are from Stock Your Home, and I am obsessed with them. I love them so much. I love that I can fill it with whatever is in my fridge. I love having that option as me and my husband are trying to stay away from soda, and we really are trying to have more portion control, if that makes sense, with what we drink that is besides water. Whether we drink juice, lemonade, tea, whatever it is, we're trying to drink lesser of it, and this helps so much as these bottles are only 12 ounces and that is not a lot. I love that I can have these for when I'm packing my husband's lunch, because again, he's drinking plenty of water, but sometimes, you know, during the day, especially because it's hot out, you need something else. So this is just the right size. I also fill it up with water, surprisingly, just because when I'm in a hurry, I love having these in the fridge. Just easy to grab, especially when I'm on the go, running errands, and I just want a little bit of water. I love it. So if you're looking for something that's gonna make packing lunches so much easier, or if you're just looking to have something always available in your fridge, ready to go, then these bottles will help you do that. But that's just my point of view.